You've got that amazing corporate health insurance, right? The kind that doesn't ask questions, has zero waiting periods, and feels like the best part of the job. You feel like you've got it all covered until one day you think about quitting. So, what happens then? Hi there, folks. Welcome back to Ditto Insurance. If you're new here, I'm Shashank from Ditto, and in today's video, we talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: how to convert your corporate health insurance into a personal individual plan. Here's what you can expect from this video. We'll break down what corporate cover really offers, why it may not be enough, when and how to switch over to an individual plan, and the benefits you carry forward during the transition. And by the end, you'll have a clarity on whether making this shift makes sense for you or not. And hey, if you want someone to walk you through your options personally, you can book a free call with Ditto's advisors. We'll help you make sense of your health insurance one-on-one. The link is in the description, and yes, our services are completely free of cost. Alright, let's start with the basics. No points for guessing. Corporate health insurance is usually provided by your employer. It's easy, doesn't need any medical tests, has no waiting periods, and often includes family coverage as well. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. It's tied to your job. The moment you leave or retire, poof, it's gone. And that leaves you vulnerable unless you have a backup. So, when should you consider switching from corporate to an individual plan? And more importantly, is it even possible? Yes, it is. According to IRDAI guidelines, you can migrate from your corporate health insurance to an individual policy, but there's a condition. It depends on whether your insurer allows it in the first place. So you need to check with your HR or insurer first. Now, let me walk you through the actual steps of converting your corporate health insurance into your individual one. Step 1. Confirm if your insurer allows migration. Not all do, so this is very crucial. Step 2. Put in your request before leaving the job, ideally at least 30 to 45 days in advance. This gives everyone enough time to process the switch. Step 3. Review and compare the plans your insurer offers. Even though you will stick to the same insurer, you might have options with different benefits. Choose one that works for you. Step 4. Submit the paperwork. This includes your policy details, claim history, KYC documents, and a resignation letter or proof of your last working day. Step 5. Pay the premium for your new individual plan. And step 6. Once everything checks out, your insurer will issue the new policy and you will receive confirmation with the continuity benefits. Now, if you're thinking, wait, what continuity benefits? Well, here's the thing. If you've already served part of waiting periods under your corporate plan, that counts. Let's say your corporate plan had a 3-year waiting period for a health condition and you've already done 2 years. In the new individual policy, you will only need to wait for 1 more year. Now, that is a huge win. Now, quick reminder. If you want help comparing plans, understanding paperwork, or even knowing if your insurer allows the switch, you can book a free call with Ditto. Our advisors are IRDAI certified and will help explain everything in simple, plain language. The link is in the description. Now, here are a few things you should absolutely keep in mind before porting. 1. See, timing is everything. You must request the conversion within the insurer's deadline, usually before your last working day. 2. You must stay with the same insurer while migrating. That is why it's called migrating and not porting. 3. Benefits like waiting period credits and bonuses may carry forward, but check this beforehand. 4. Coverage may differ. Corporate plans are cheaper because your employer chips in, but they often come with limited flexibility. Individual plans are more customizable, and that brings us to our next point. Let me give you a quick snapshot of how corporate and individual health insurance differ. Now, I know you're going to tell me, Shashank, I know this, but stick around and you'll know exactly why you need to have a retail plan. Corporate health insurance is like group deal. You get it because you're part of the company. It usually kicks in from day one, sometimes covers dependents, and the premiums are either fully or partially paid by your employer. But what is the catch? You have zero control over the coverage and it disappears the moment you leave the job. Individual health insurance, on the other hand, is your personal plan. You choose the sum insured, the benefits, the add-ons. Basically, it's built around your needs. The premium might be higher, but the coverage stays with you, job or no job. Plus, you can renew it for life, which makes it way more reliable in the longer run. So, what are the actual advantages of converting to an individual plan? First, you maintain continuous coverage. No coverage gap when you leave your job or take a break. Second, you don't lose progress on waiting periods for pre-existing diseases. Third, you get flexibility. Add riders like maternity, OPD, or consumables cover and choose a higher sum insured if you like. And finally, you gain independence. You don't have to worry about what your employer decides about insurance anymore. Now, let's say you're convinced. What are some good individual health insurance plans to consider in 2025? HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is a solid option. It has no room rent limits, offers 100% restoration benefits, which can be converted to unlimited with an add-on and covers up to 2 crore rupees. Plus, it has a great claim settlement record. Second, Care Supreme. It gives you unlimited restoration and a total bonus of up to 600% with an add-on. Its hospital network is strong and it's ideal for those looking for reliable coverage with flexibility. Third, Aditya Birla Active 1 Max offers one of the highest renewal bonuses, up to 500%, and includes restoration benefits, unlimited times. Perfect if you want long-term value and a plan that grows with you. This has cool Booster Plus feature that carries forward unused coverage and restoration that kicks in after the first claim. ICICI Lombard Elevate is a flexible plan with solid features and 15 plus add-ons. You can reduce your waiting period or get unlimited bonus accumulation. But remember, the best plan depends on your personal needs. If you're unsure which one fits you best, just book a call with us at Ditto. We'll recommend a plan that's made for you because not one size fits all. Alright, time to wrap up. Corporate health insurance is a great benefit while you're employed, but don't rely on it for long haul. If you're planning a job switch, starting a business, or retiring soon, start thinking about getting your own individual health plan. It's your own safety net on your own terms. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who's thinking about leaving their job soon. And if you still have questions, book a call with us. We'd love to help you out. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.